everyone! So today I am going to use this brush. This is called the Deerfoot brush. So it actually works almost similar to my Surikomi brush. And we are going to paint a simple tree using this brush. So let's start with the materials. I'm using Saunders Waterford and this is a 100% cotton paper. I'm using this brush from Princeton Select and I'm gonna use this black velvet round brush. So I also have my classic set from Art Philosophy and just gonna rinse my brush, and I'm gonna start with just a yellow orange color. Okay, so let's just dab this on the paper. So this is from the classic set and I just love this brush because it's so easy to use. Okay, then I'm gonna add a bit of orange. I'm gonna add it in some parts. And maybe we can add just a few greenish leaves. I'm adding a little bit of orange to this green. So I got this brush from Blick Arts. And I'm gonna add a bit of orange again, just a more concentrated orange. Okay, and then let's grab some brown. I'm using just the same palette. Let's put the trunk right there. You can add some branches. I guess you can add like some over here, some lines. Okay, I'm gonna rinse my brush. This has clean water and you're gonna paint right here. Kind of add some shadow on the ground. Okay, so I'm so sorry if you can hear some background noises. And I also like adding orange on the floor. I added orange just so it looks like some of the leaves fell on the ground. I think we can add red to our orange. Just wanted to add more contrast in some areas. I'm gonna add some over here as well, just to add texture. Okay, we are done. That's very easy. It's just a simple tree and you can paint it in different colors, make it a bit more whimsical. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye!